Hello students, today we'll discuss some important question answers on some lessons. This video will be devoted for only question answers and this will be a good revision for you. Some important chapters are covered over here, so we'll go towards that. I hope this video will be helpful for you for your revision. So dear students, you can see here some question answers are there. First lesson, three questions. We'll discuss first question. Why was the king advised to go to magicians? So, uh, why king was asked to go to magicians? In answer to the first question, in order to decide the right time for doing something urgent, one must have to look into the future. Since only magicians could do that, the king was advised to go to magicians. So I hope you may have understood the answer of this question. That first question was there, that what is the good time to start or begin something. So in order to decide the right time for doing something urgent, one must have to look into future, since only magicians only could do that, and therefore the king was advised to go to magician. So second question, did the wise men win the reward? If not, why not? We know that many wise men came to give answer to the king's questions. So, did they win the reward? So, no, the wise men did not win the reward because the king got different answers for all the three questions he asked. So, this is first value point, that the king got different answers for all the three questions he asked. And second thing, he was not satisfied with any of the answers. Therefore, no wise man could get the reward. So these two value points have to be added over there, dear students. You have to go through the answer properly. If you will not add all the value points, your marks will be deducted or it will not be considered the correct answer. Means that answer will not be complete. It will be incomplete answer. All value points have to be there. Now we are going towards question number 3. Why did the king want to know answers to three questions? So king wanted to know the answers of three questions, but why? The king wanted to know answers to three questions because of the thought came to his mind that he would never fail if he knew answers to those three questions. Question number 4. What suggestions were made in answer to the third question? In answer to the third question, some said science will be most important, others suggested fighting, and some said religious worship. So there were different answers. You may have understood for the in the answer of third question. Some says that the science is important, some says that war is important, some said that religious worship is important. We are going towards question number 5. Describe the hermit. Dear students, you go through all the value points and proper description over here. The hermit lived in forest which he never left. He was a very wise person. He was kind and helpful. He helped the injured man in trouble. He had given all three questions answer of king with practical. The king gets satisfied and influenced with the answers given by the hermit. So these 5 questions, dear students, we have discussed on first lesson. We are going towards the next poem, that is the squirrel. What does it do when we go around? What does that squirrel do when we go around? It disappears behind the tree when we go around it. This was first question. Second, what is compared with grey overcoat? You have to try to understand properly what is compared with grey overcoat. The squirrel's body is compared with grey overcoat. Question number 3. He liked to tease and play. Who is teasing whom and how? So the squirrel is teasing the poet. When the poet goes around, the squirrel disappears behind the tree. Question number 4. How does poet describe the squirrel? The poet describes the squirrel. The poet describes the squirrel is covered in grey fur, sits in an upright position on a tree branch, eating a nut with a question mark of tail. You try to understand what points are included over here. The poet describes the squirrel is covered with a grey fur, sits in an upright position on a tree branch, eating a nut with a question mark of tail. So all these things have to be included over there. Now, dear students, you can see over here a gift of chappals. Next lesson we are going towards. On this lesson, there is a first question. What is the secret that Meena shares with Mridu in backyard? Meena shared the secret that they had a kitten in the backyard inside a torn football lined with sacking and filled with sand. They found him outside the gate in the morning. So what is the secret particularly? The secret was that a small little kitten which was kept in the football. So you see the answers over here and you have to consider these. Second question, how does Ravi get milk for the kitten? Ravi took a glass of milk to feed the kitten. When Pati saw him with the glass of milk, he convinced her by saying that he was hungry. Pati got suspicious, so Ravi had to drink most of the milk and told Pati that he would wash the tumbler by himself. After that, Ravi ran and poured the milk into coconut shell for kitten and then ran back to wash the tumbler before Pati got really suspicious. Question number 3. What was the noise that startled Mrudu and frightened Mahendran? The screeching sound of violin that Lali was learning to play startled Mrudu and frightened Mahendran. Question number 4. Describe the music teacher as seen from the window. As seen from the window, music teacher had the bony figure. He had a mostly bald head with a fringe of oil black hair falling around his ears and an old-fashioned tuft. A gold chain gleamed around his leathery neck and a diamond ring glittering on his hand as it gilded up and down the string of the violin. A large foot stuck out from beneath his gold bordered vestige, and he was beating time on the floor with the scrawny big toe. Question number 5. Describe the beggar. The beggar was a poor man. He wrote He wore worn out dhoti and had an upper cloth. He had few teeth remaining in his mouth. His teeth stained brown with beetle chewing. He was very much hungry. He did not have chappals to wear. His feet were blistered. He had pink boils on his feet. So these 5 questions were there on the gift of chappals. We are going towards the question answers of the rebel. So we are going towards question number 1. If someone doesn't wear a uniform to school, what do you think the teacher will say? The answer: the teacher will scold the student and ask him or her the reason for not wearing the uniform and then takes action accordingly. Second question, when everyone wants a clear sky, what does the rebel want most? When everyone wants a clear sky, the rebel wants it to rain. Question number 3, why is it not good to be a rebel oneself? It is not good for oneself to be a rebel because you have to stand alone all the time. It makes you unpopular among the people and you will have no friends. Question number 4, would you like to be a rebel? If yes, why? If not, why? For this question, dear students, you have to write answer on your own because it's your choice. We are going towards question number 5. If the rebel has a dog for a pet, what is everyone else likely to have? When everyone is likely to have cat for a pet, only when only then will the rebel have a dog for a pet. Next lesson we'll discuss, that is the tiny teacher. Question number 1. In what ways is an ant's life peaceful? So dear students, you have to add maximum points from this. An ant's life is peaceful because number 1, each ant does its work intelligently and bravely and never fights with other members of its group. Each member has a designed place to stay and a definite work to do. They do not interfere in each other's work. No worker or soldier has ever harmed any grub. Each one loyally and diligently does his duty and relentlessly carries on with their work peacefully. They know sharing and contribution. So dear students, see how many points can be included. Minimum 4 points you have to include so that it will be complete answer. Question number 2 on this lesson. How long does it take for a grub to become a complete ant? It takes 2 or 3 weeks for a grub to become a cocoon. Why do the worker ants carry the grubs about? Question number 3. Why do the worker ants carry the grubs about? Answer. The worker ants carry them about daily for airing, exercise and for sunshine. Question number 4. What jobs are new ants trained for? Answer. The new ants are trained as workers, soldiers, builders, cleaners, etc. We are going towards question number 5. Mention 3 things we can learn from the tiny teacher. Things which can learn from the ants or tiny teachers are: number 1, hard work; number 2, sense of duty and discipline; number 3, cleanliness; number 4, care for the young ones; and number 5, a firm loyalty to the land where they live. So, dear students, I have shared these 5 points for this answer. Now we are going to discuss about the question answers on bringing up Kari. Question number 1. Did Kari enjoy his morning bath in the river? Give a reason for your answer. Yes, Kari enjoyed his morning bath in the river as he lay down on the sand bank and let his friend rub his back and also lay in the river water for a long time. He squealed with pleasure when water was rubbed down his back. Question number 2. Finding good twig for curry took a long time. Why? Answer. Finding good twigs for curry took a long time because his friend had to climb all kinds of trees to get the most delicate and tender twigs. Also, if a twig was mutilated, an elephant would not touch it. So one had to be very sharp hatchet to cut down these twigs with half an hour to sharpen it. It was not an easy job. Question number 3. Why did Kari push his friend into the stream? Kari pushed his friend into the stream because a boy was lying flat on the bottom of a river. Kari wanted his friend to save the life of that boy, so he pushed his friend into the stream. Question number 4. Kari was like a baby. What are the main points of comparison? Kari was like a baby because number 1, he had to be trained to be good just like a baby. Number 2, he had to be taught when to sit down, when to walk, when to go fast and when to go slow. Number 3, when he was naughty, he need to be scolded and if not, he would do more mischief. So all these 3 points are there for this answer. We are going towards question number 5 from the same lesson. What is the master call? Why is it the most important signal for an elephant to learn? The master call is a strange hissing, howling sound as if a snake and a tiger were fighting each other. It is the most important signal for an elephant because whenever the master was in trouble, one master call would bring the elephant near him and help him out of danger. Dear students, I hope you may have understood these question answers and you will get the benefit through this. You have to go through these question answers once or twice or thrice till you get the clear idea about it so that it will be helpful for you. I hope it would be more and more helpful. This video will be come in use of you. Thank you very much. We'll stop over here.